Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video also I am yet again back with the Meesho haul, and this time I'm gonna show you guys cord sets. All these cord sets are very affordable and it's all very trendy as well. I hope you like this content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The first cord set which I'm gonna show you guys, you might have seen this particular cord sets. A lot of influencers reviewed about this particular cord set. Even I wanted to get it and try it for myself, and this is how it looks like. It has like a very beautiful prints. This is like a shirt and it has a collar, and it's completely like an oversized shirt, and I will post a try on video also. You can see like how this one looks like. It looks really nice, and this is how the shorts looks like. I really like the shorts, and it has a pocket on both the sides. Yes, it has pockets on both the sides, and this thing you can't tighten this. It's just for a style purpose. Okay, it's exactly as shown in the picture. You can see like there is a top and bottom, and you can wear something like this inside. They have not given any top. This is my top, and I'm just showing you like you can wear something like this inside. It looks really nice, and I'll tell you the price. Just a moment. Okay, the price of this particular cord set is 400 rupees. After discount, I got it for 381 rupees. It's a very affordable stuff. If you're traveling or something, you can definitely go for it. And it's a flowy material. Let me tell you like what material is this. Okay, this material is polyester. If you're comfortable wearing polyester material, you can definitely go for it. I would suggest this particular cord set because it looks really nice. You can also see in the try on video, there is no top inside. As I told you guys, you can wear any white color top inside. It looks really nice, and they have other 4 colors also. You can choose whichever color you want. Even this color is really nice. It looks very vibrant, and there is one more in pink and pink combination. It's really nice, guys. I would recommend this particular cord set to you guys. If you want to buy it, definitely you can go for it. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next cord set which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and they have given a thank you note for this. They have mentioned like your smile and review both are important to us. Please give us review and rating. Thank you for shopping. It's really sweet, right? And this is how the shrug looks like. Very nice, stuff, because I really like this color and prints both. This is how it looks like, and they have given a top also. You can wear this top inside, or you can pair whatever color you want inside. And this is how the bottom looks like. It's like a shorts, and they have given pockets on the one side, and this is how the cord set looks like. It's a very beautiful cord set, and the price of this particular cord set is 599. After discount, I got it for 580 rupees. It's a very beautiful cord set. If you're going for a vacation or something, definitely you can go for it. It's a comfortable material. It's like a polyester. If you're comfortable with the polyester material, definitely you can go for it. And price is also very reasonable, I feel. So having said that, let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next cord set which I'm gonna show you guys is one of the trendy cord set, I can say, because I've seen this all over the internet. And this is how it looks like. This is a skirt, and yeah, this is how it looks like. It's super stretchable, and this is how the top looks like. It has like a turtleneck and full sleeves. It's like a crop top. Very beautiful color. It's like a powder blue color. I really like this particular color. Okay, the price of this particular cord set is 354. After discount, I got it for 334 rupees. It's very affordable, and the material is cotton blend. I would definitely recommend this particular cord set because it looks really nice, and the color is also very vibrant. It's super stretchable, guys, and it's very soft on the skin. It's a very breathable material. I can say it's like a ribbed material. So I would definitely recommend this particular product. If you like it, definitely go for it. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next cord set which I'm gonna show you guys is like a 3-piece set. This is how it looks like, and this is like a blazer, And don't worry guys, I'll put a try on video also. You guys can see like how this looks like. Probably like if I'm holding it like this, you can't see it properly. I'm just showing you guys like how this looks like. You can see the material, it's quite stretchable, and they have given this black color button. This is like a blazer, and I'll show you the bottom. And this is how the bottom looks like. It's like a skirt, and it's a quite short skirt, and they have given a very good elastic, and there is also a top. This is like 3-piece set, and I'll tell you the price of this. The price of this particular cord set is 817 rupees. After discount, I got it for 676 rupees. I think it's a very affordable cord set. You can wear it to office. You will look like a boss lady. You can also see in the try on video how this cord set looks like. I really liked it, guys. And they have mentioned like it's silk blend. I'm not really sure. It's not a breathable material, but it is quite stretchable. I got it in medium size and it fits perfectly to me. If you like this kind of dresses, you can definitely go for it. At this price, you will not get like 3-piece. You can wear it separately as well. So you can pair with this skirt. I mean, you can pair some other top also with this skirt. And with this top also, you can wear some other, bottom. It is like a multi-purpose cord set. If you like this kind of cord set, definitely you can go for it, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is how the next cord set looks like. They have given this, collar, and it's quite cropped, and that's the reason I like this particular cord set. And they have given like a 3/4 sleeves. I really like the print on this. And this is how the bottom looks like. I really like the prints on this bottom. They have given like a straight fit pant, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Very nice pant. They have given 2 pockets, and pockets are very small, and the other side pocket, it's like there is a hole here. And I would say like don't use these pockets, and if you're just wearing it, it looks really nice. And the material is also very comfortable. It's really flowy material. You can definitely wear it during summer. And coming to the top, you can just remove these buttons and just wear it like a shrug, like a crop shrug, and you can wear some white color top. It looks really nice. The price of this particular cord set is 290 rupees. After discount, I got it for 271 rupees. It's a very affordable cord set. If you like it, definitely go for it. The cloth is very comfortable. It's flowy material, and it's very thin as well, and I think it is quite transparent as well. But I was wearing a nude innerwear inside, so I couldn't make out. But if you wear like black color, I think it will be little visible. So don't wear black color inside this. Wear some white color or nude color inside, so you'll be good to go. And definitely I would recommend this one as well. Okay, the next cord set which I'm gonna show you guys is in brown color, and this is like a office wear cord set. And this is how the pant looks like. I really like the pant, guys, and the pant quality is really nice. It's very thick. So they have given a good elastic, and it's like a quite straight fit pant. It looks like a trouser, and from the front it looks like this. I really like the pant more than top. And top is like this. They have given a puffy sleeves, and it's quite long. It's not a short top. They have given a slit here. It looks really nice, but the quality of this top is like not only top, even the bottom, it's very thick. It's like you cannot wear it during summer. You can wear it during winter. Okay, the price of this particular cord set is 644 rupees. After discount, I got it for 534 rupees. I think it's an affordable cord set, but one thing is the material is very thick. But if you just want to buy this cord set for this pant, definitely I would recommend, because the pant quality is really nice. And they have mentioned like it's silk blend. I'm not really sure, guys. This cannot be silk, right? So it's super stretchable, and it's very comfortable. It's quite thick, and it's not a transparent pant at all. It looks really nice. If you like this cord set, you can go for it. I will anyway put the product links in the description box. The last cord set of this haul is in white color, and this is also one of my favorite. This is like a oversized shirt. This is how it looks like. The material is really nice, guys, and it's quite transparent. Super nice quality. I really like it. It has a texture on it. I hope you guys can see. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Don't worry, you can see in the try on video as well. And this is how the bottom looks like. Very nice stuff. And there is a pocket on both the sides. Oh, there is no pocket, guys. There is no pocket, but they have given lining. Since this is like a transparent cloth, they have given lining, and you can tighten here. So very nice stuff. I would definitely recommend this particular product. They have not given top, and you can wear any color tube bra under this particular cord set, because it's in white color. White color goes with any color top. And let me tell you the price. Alright, the price of this particular cord set is 372 rupees. After discount, I got it for 353 rupees. It's a very affordable cord set, and the quality of this, material is really nice. If you like it, definitely go for it. If you're traveling or something, I think this will be really nice. This is very much suitable for, beach. So I would definitely recommend this. If you like it, go for it. I will put all the product links in the description box. Whichever cord set you like, definitely you can go for it. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.